Hey guys, it's Jonathan with G-Site. I'm here doing an unboxing of our Quantum XG 9mm. Alright, so let's get this bad boy open. Let's go ahead and do that. Put the knife to the side. Alright, so the first thing you're going to see when you open this guy up, you're going to see our phone holder, okay? And of course the components that come with the phone holder, or actually to put the phone holder together, you're going to have your tripod, the base here. Just open those legs up, pop her down. There's going to be a center adapter, okay? So this actually screws onto the base of the tripod and it allows you to pivot your phone whenever you have your mini tripod set up. So if you have to increase the angle, it'll allow you to do so. All right, so we'll get to assembling that a bit later. Going on through, of course, we have the actual laser cartridge itself, the packaging here. All right, this is the Quantum XG 9mm, okay? On the actual box itself, you will see on the reverse side, there's this little QR code. All right, that's pretty important because in the box you won't find any instructions. Just go ahead and scan that QR code and you'll get everything you need to, from the instructions to how to download the app itself. All right. The last thing you're gonna find in the box here is our fun target. All right. Every Quantum pack is coming with the basic shooter fun target. Now we do offer other targets on our website. You'll see them located on the back of the target here. Feel free to check it out, gsite.com. If you want more options, this gets a little boring for you, but this is gonna have everything you need right out of the box to get started. Getting back to that tripod, of course, we got our base here. Just gonna place her on the counter here. Getting to this little adapter, it can be a little bit tricky, so bear with me here. Getting the parts out of this bag. Oh, look at that, first try, all right. So you got the base here. It will be screwing onto the tripod itself. It comes with this little rubber gasket. Just pop it on the base, screw it on, and that's all for the base. You will notice that it is two separate pieces here. You are able to screw this up and down to make sure that the elbow joint here is movable. So I'm going to show you why that's important in a second. So this is our phone holder. For all my ASMR lovers. There it is. All right. Get this guy out. Now the phone holder does have two different sides, all right? So you have this one right here if you wish to have your phone tilted to the side, or the full version if you have a larger phone, all right? Now, that elbow I was talking about, so when I have the phone holder on, I am able to pivot it to angle my cell phone when it's on there. All right, so right now I'm screwing that on. If I want to put my phone in here and change the actual angle of the phone, you'll see right now that it is kind of a little bit wobbly. All you need to do is screw down that center piece, okay? Nice and tight. And you see now the phone, I could go like this. I can change the angle on it if I wish. Just remember that little guy. If you notice that your phone holder is a little bit wobbly, go ahead and pinch it, rotate, get her done. All right, guys, now that we know how to set up the tripod holder and phone holder there, we're gonna get into the unboxing of the actual laser itself. All right, so the Quantum XG 9mm comes with that little sleeve slider right out. Open the box here, and you'll notice right here, we have our laser. Our laser does come with three individual batteries already inserted in the laser itself. And we have 3 additional spares there in case those die while you're training. You won't be out of luck there. In this little bag, we have our replaceable strike pads. So when your original one that's already inserted in the laser starts to wear down, you can go ahead and just swap it with one of those 5. You'll be back in action. And of course, we have additional O-rings. So if you find that the O-rings on the actual device itself tend to wear off, or let's just be real, if you lose one, we got your back with some extras. So that's everything that's included in the Quantum XG pack. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, reach out to us at customer support. We're here to help you.